Did you know today is Insurance Awareness Day? So many think insurance is a want, not a need, but they couldn't be further from the truth. Being a mortgage lender, it's imperative that we have trusted connections to refer our clients to. So today, I want to take a quick introduction to my colleague and friend, Jessica Osborne. She's going to share a few popular answers to popular insurance questions she's received. Now, let's dive in and start. Here's Jessica.
Hello, my name is Jessica Osborne, and I am the agency owner of Brightway Insurance, the Osborne Agency. We are located off of Creedmoor Road here in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we service North Carolina, all over South Carolina, as well as Virginia. We've been in business for 5 years, and we are an independent agency. So all that means is we represent more than one carrier, which really gives us that ability to shop the market for our clients and find the best price and coverage. Welcome to Insurance Awareness Day. Just a few questions we're going to answer for you. The first one is, do people really need home insurance? The answer is yes. Your home is your largest asset, typically that you're ever going to purchase. Your home insurance is there to protect you for catastrophic losses. So if your home were to catch fire and burn down to the ground, your home insurance is going to cover to rebuild that home as is. If you didn't carry home insurance, you would have no coverage to rebuild that home. The second question is, what does a typical homeowner's policy cover? So your home insurance policy is going to cover any direct loss to the home. The 3 things I always tell my clients to be aware of that are not covered are going to be 1, flood. That is going to be a separate policy, and flood is defined as water that comes in from the outside and rises up. So that type of claim would have to be covered under an actual flood policy and not your home insurance policy. The second thing is going to be earthquake. So some carriers will let you add an optional coverage to give you earthquake coverage. Others do not have that option, so then you would have to purchase a separate policy to cover earthquake coverage. The third thing, probably most important thing to keep in mind, is going to just be wear and tear to the home and regular maintenance. You as a homeowner do have a responsibility to maintain your home, so that's going to always fall on you. If anything breaks down due to wear and tear or due to the age, that's going to be your responsibility to replace and not the home insurance policy. Third question, are additional structures like sheds on a property covered? The answer is yes. If you look at your home insurance policy, you're probably going to see a coverage listed as other structures. This is included on your policy, and it usually starts out at 10% of whatever your dwelling coverage amount is. This is defined as anything detached from the home is going to be covered under this. A lot of times I get questions, well, Jessica, we don't have anything detached from the home. Is there any way we can remove this coverage? The answer is no. It's automatically included. It's not charging you anything extra unless you do decide to increase the 10% that's automatically included. Fourth question, what if you have a vacation home in another state? Is it covered under the policy? So no, if you have a secondary home or even a rental property in another state, you would have to carry a separate policy for that home, for the structure of it. Every state has their own set of rules and regulations when it comes to insurance, so your agent needs to be licensed in that state in order to write that policy. Now, one thing you can extend from your home insurance policy for that additional home is the liability coverage if you wish to choose. Number 5, what do people need to do when searching for an insurance provider? I think one of the most important things is finding an insurance agent that you can put a face with. If you're constantly having to call a 1-800 number, you may not be getting the best service that you could be getting, and you may not be getting educated on your policy. A lot of times we find people that have gone that route have multiple claims filed that could have been prevented. So I think it's super important to find an agent that you can actually speak with on the phone or email directly, whether that's local or in the state that you're in.